Well, I'm starting this job with the brake master and the Morris. I brought a selection of tools down just to see what I need. No idea if it's going to be easy or difficult, whatever, but I'm going to crack a couple of the brake pipes first and then take it for there to get them out and undone and swing it out of the way. And even if I can get it filled up with fluid and maybe bench bled while it's in the car, that's a start, and then I can bring Karen down over the weekend and we can get it bled. Unless I get lucky and see somebody I know for the bike place and get it bled through them. Anyway, so the next couple of photographs will be the disassembly of the brake master and the Morris Minor, which is a 1990s Rover Mini system. It's in a dual circuit. So I've got one of the 13s off, I've got both the brake pipe unions off, and I can't get underneath it to get the last one off. So I'm going to need to get a short ratchet on it. The power's went away from my electric ratchet and it's just totally the wrong shape, the radiator's in the way. So I'm going to need some wobble drives or maybe a ratchet spanner. I'm hoping I've got a ratchet spanner in the glove box of the Mustang. Well, the new Master's on. Still to get bled. I couldn't bench bleed it because of the wrong size hoses for it, so it'll need to be done old school. I need to get somebody to help me with that. I need to go and get some more fluid and stuff. I'll bleed it out and then I need to cut servo hose. It's bust as well before I put the horn back. Look at the size of that horn. I need it as well. What idiots in here. Anyway, that's it. A couple of hours on it, that's enough for me. I'll tie this together and then put a wee shot. Well, that's enough for the day. I got the master cylinder on the Morris, that's all mounted, it's full of fluid. I still need to bleed it, so that's me and the missus will come down and bleed that maybe through the weekend. That's it on and done. And I found a split in the servo hose, so I need to cut the end of that and put a Jubilee clip on with that. Won't affect the bleeding. And then there's a train horn thing's got to get built up, but that's only, by the way, I'll do that after I've got brakes. So that's me. I'm going to tie a wee video together. So I've got Karen bleeding the brakes here. We've done it through the master. Can't see a thing. Right, shows you pressing the brake, Karen. Right, there you are. That's a pedal. Right, do us a favour, take the handbrake off.
My foot in the brake.
Foot off.
Off.
Pull the handbrake off. Pull it up. Release it. Right, try the brake now. Should be worse.
Aye.
Right, pull the handbrake on.
I don't know if I can get it on.
The ratchet will do it, don't worry. Don't worry about the button, just ratchet it. Pull it, just yank it.
Trying.
This is how Neil Young's wife lost money. Right, what's that feel like now? Right, okay. So I went without my keys, so we can't run the car to try it, but I'm going to top up with fluid, and that's it. We've lost all that amount of fluid, so we've bled the system completely right through, and then I'll shorten that hose and then I'll start again. And that's us. That's the brakes fixed and more or less. Master cylinder on. Rest it, I'll build up tomorrow.